Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show step-by-step to add and how to switch accounts on Temu account. So first we're going to go to the Temu app. As I told you guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next we're going to click on You, which is found at the middle. Then next you're going to click on Settings on the top right corner. So once you're here, you're going to click on Switch Accounts. Then as you can see, there are two different accounts I've logged in. So you guys have to click in as simply as that. Then it's going to change the account you're in. So if you wanted to change it back again, you're going to do the same thing. Click on the different account, and it's going to log you back again to the different account. So that's how you basically do it. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.